Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today's tutorial I'm showing you how to fix a issue on any Samsung Galaxy device where you're having the issue with your gallery where as soon as you try to look at a photo inside of your gallery, it shows as a preview, but as soon as you click on it, it shows a weird exclamation mark, and that exclamation is within a circle, and of course the pictures do not show. It can happen to random pictures. Most of the time you might find one or two pictures or a bunch of pictures basically show the what I call a corrupted sign, which is an exclamation with a gray or almost white background. I'll show you what the error looks like. So the error looks just like this, and as you can see here, this is just a screen grab that I got when I had the issue. So each picture you go on, you'll see a preview in the overall gallery, but as soon as you go on it, you see this gray background with this white exclamation and circle. Alright, so if you're having the issue where you're having this particular problem on any Android or Samsung device, I'll show you how to fix this right now. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do, guys, in case you're having this particular issue, is to do as I say now. And of course, I'm going to give several tips. Make sure that you do all of these, even if the first one fixes the issue. Make sure that you follow the other steps to prevent this issue from reoccurring. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is if you're having the issue, go ahead and hold down your power button, and you're going to go ahead and restart. Now of course I'm not going to restart my device, but you can restart yours, so just go ahead and restart. You can also power off, and what this does is that it will refresh the system. As soon as you come back, you can actually go to your gallery, and when you go to the gallery, the pictures that were showing the exclamation are now, or should be now, all of them should be fixed, and you should not be seeing the exclamation any longer. Most times it happens when your device is on for an extended period of time, and of course it seems to be something related to cache. Now to prevent it from coming back anytime in the short term, I suggest that you reboot your device on a regular basis, meaning at least once or twice per week. Now of course you need to also clean up your system. It's a good idea to keep it running smoothly, so go to settings, and once you're in settings, guys, you're gonna go down and you're gonna look for device care, and this only is applying to those devices from Samsung. So these are only Samsung devices, so go ahead and hit optimize, and of course once you optimize, notice it will close out background apps and it will do its thing, and it says 100% optimized. Alright, so that's a part of device care, and once you do that, another thing you can do, even if you don't have that feature on other Android devices, or do this as well as an additional step, get a cleaner. I have speed cleaner here. It doesn't really matter which cleaner. Speed cleaner can be downloaded from the Play Store, and what you want to aim for cleaning is junk files. So go ahead and scan, and it's going to show you all the junk files on your device, and as you can see here, it's going to give you a few options. It shows you various apps, and you can go through and deselect any that you do not want to be clean. Notice it shows here it will free up to 4 gigabytes, and it shows stuff like Amazon. I don't want that to be troubled, and of course I'm going to deselect all the apps I don't want it to mess with. Alright, so when I'm satisfied, I'm just going to hit tap to clean, and it will do its thing. Notice it's doing a similar cleaning, except this one does some extra stuff. Once I'm satisfied, now I'm just going to go back, and I've basically cleaned up all my junk files. There's some other stuff here you can mess with as well, but of course that's the main one, the cleaning of the junk files. So once I've cleaned the junk files, it would be a good idea to go into your gallery and find any large files that you're not using, and just do an audit and clean up and free up some space. The more space you have on your device, the better, as the operating system will have space to store cache and so on. So it's a good idea to free up and delete any unnecessary files. Also remember to empty the trash that's within the gallery. If you do not empty the trash, what's going to happen is that you might run into problems, as deleting a file doesn't mean it's deleted right away. However, if you wait long enough, the cache or the trash should be emptied anyway. Alright guys, so that covers it. How to fix the issue where you're seeing that weird triangle, gray background with that circle. Alright, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Just a quick tips showing you to fix this issue on your Samsung Galaxy or Android device. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.